How to use one-point perspective to draw a three-dimensional cube or rectangular solid from three different points of view. Looking up at, looking down on, and looking straight at a rectangular solid. When you draw the horizon line, what you're going to do is you're going to tape a piece of paper to your wall, and you're going to draw the horizon line at the exact same level as your eyes. When you look at a cube, you're going to be thinking about what parts of the cube you can actually see when the cube is above your eyes, when it's below your eyes, and when you are looking directly at it on the horizon line. What do you notice? Cube that is above your eye level, you'll see the bottom surface and two of the side surfaces for a total of three surfaces. If it's below your eye level, you'll see the top surface and you will see two of the side surfaces for a total of three surfaces. You can never see more than three surfaces of a three-dimensional cube. Cubes exactly at your eye level, you can actually only see two surfaces of the cube, the two sides, because you can't see the top or bottom. Now that you've made these observations, draw four squares and a horizon line, two squares above the horizon line and two squares below the horizon line. Make your vanishing point in the middle. Make straight lines with a ruler going from the corners of each square to the vanishing point. When you make the back part of each square, it must be parallel to the front part. Notice how I'm moving my lines back and forth to make absolutely sure that the vertical line is parallel to the vertical line of the square in the front, and the horizontal line has to be perfectly horizontal, parallel to the bottom part of the square in the front. So notice how I'm going back and checking it to make sure it's exactly parallel. Once you've gotten those drawn, you can erase all the extra going back down to the vanishing point, so you're just left with your cube. You're going to follow the same rules for all four cubes. The lines must be drawn with a ruler, they must be perfectly straight, and the back part of each square must be exactly parallel to the front part of each square. So the vertical line must be perfectly vertical, and the horizontal line must be perfectly horizontal. Then you may erase the extra going all the way down to the vanishing point, so all you're left with is the cube itself. Notice how the cubes that are above the horizon line you're looking up at, they're above your eye level, so you see the bottom and two sides, and that's all you see. The ones below your eye level, you see the top and two sides, and that's all you see. Notice how carefully I'm making sure that my lines in the back of my cube are parallel to the front part of the cube. The horizontal ones are horizontal, the vertical ones are vertical. I erase my extra, and all my lines are 100% straight and drawn with a ruler, not freehand. Now the ones that are right on the horizon line, I can only see two sides. I cannot see the top or bottom of them because they are exactly on my eye level. Complete art lesson, visit thehelpfulartteacher.blogspot.com.